Dear students, today we are going to start Unit 9th of your syllabus. This Unit 9th is Balance of Payment. This carries 7 marks. Now in this unit, first of all, I will explain you what is exchange rate. So when there is question of the balance of payment, exchange rate is related to it. Now rate of exchange or exchange rate means the rate at which one unit of currency of one country is exchanged for the number of units of currency of some other country. In simple words, exchange rate is the exchange ratio of the two currencies. So for an example, if $1 is exchanged for rupees 50 or say rupees 55 or 60, then exchange rate of dollar will be $1 is equal to rupees 50, or say $1 is equal to rupees 65. Or if we convert it in terms of rupee, then 1 rupee is equal to 1 upon $50. Or if it is $1 is equal to 65 rupee, then 1 rupee is equal to 1 upon $65. This is the ratio of exchange between the two currencies, or simply this is known as the rate of exchange or exchange rate. So in the same way, when 1 pound is exchanged for rupees 84, then exchange rate of pound will be 1 pound is equal to rupees 84, or 1 rupee is equal to 1 upon 84 pounds. So exchange rate is also known as external value of a currency. According to Haynes, exchange rate is the price of one currency stated in terms of another currency. यानी कि एक करेंसी का रेट जो है जब हम इन टर्म्स ऑफ अदर करेंसी, यानी जैसे हमने डॉलर की बात और रुपये की बात की, तो जब हम देखते हैं कि रेट ऑफ एक्सचेंज क्या है डॉलर और रुपये की, दैट इज़ नोन एज एक्सचेंज रेट. ठीक है. आर द प्राइस ऑफ रुपी इन टर्म्स ऑफ डॉलर, आर से द प्राइस ऑफ dollar in terms of rupee, or price of rupee in terms of pound, or price of pound in terms of rupee. So if 1 rupee is exchanged for if 1 pound is exchanged for 84 rupees, then price of 1 pound is 84 rupees, or say price of 1 rupee in terms of pound is 1 upon 84 pound. So this is simply what is exchange rate. Now there are types of exchange rate, or say system of exchange rate. How we make a system? What are types of exchange rate? There are two types of exchange rate. One is known as fixed exchange rate system, and another is known as flexible exchange rate system. Now what is fixed exchange rate system? It refers to exchange rate as fixed by the government. It is of two types. Fixed exchange rate system is of two types. One is known as gold standard system of exchange rate, and another is known as flexible exchange rate system. Now in this gold standard system of exchange rate, in this every country has to define value of its currency in terms of gold. So value of one currency in terms of other currency was fixed considering gold value of each country, like that of US dollar for an example, or like that of British pounds. Now 1 pound is equal to 4 gram of gold. So if you sell 1 pound in terms of gold, you will get 4 pound gold, 4 gram gold in exchange of 1 pound, or $1 is equal to 2 gram of gold. This is also called mint parity oblique mint par value. So if 1 pound is equal to 4 grams of gold and $1 is equal to 2 grams of gold, then the exchange rate of US dollar and UK pound will be like this. Exchange rate or exchange ratio between UK pound and US dollar will be 1:2. That means $1 will be exchanged with half pound, or 1 pound will be exchanged with $2. This will be exchange rate between these two currencies if there is fixed exchange rate system, if currencies are gold backed currencies. Now the second system of this fixed exchange rate system is Bretton Woods system of exchange rate. Second is called Bretton Woods system of exchange rate oblique adjustable peg system. Now then after that there is fixed exchange rate system. Sorry, flexible. Fixed we have discussed. Now there is flexible exchange rate system. Flexible rate of exchange is rate at which is determined by the demand and supply of different currencies in foreign exchange market. Now these flexible rates are determined by forces of demand and supply. यानी demand for foreign exchange and supply of foreign exchange in the foreign exchange market. It can be said that R is equal to F bracket ds, where R is rate of exchange and S is function of demand and supply. D and S means demand and supply. Demand, D is demand for, and S is supply of foreign exchange. So this in this flexible exchange rate system, exchange rate is exchange rate is a function of demand for foreign exchange and supply of foreign exchange in the foreign exchange markets. So this was that what is exchange rate or rate of exchange, and what are types of exchange rate or what are types of rate of exchange. Now there is question, how is equilibrium exchange rate determined? That we will discuss in next interval of time. Okay.